This demo will show you how to create a custom field for your locator. To do so, we need to go to Field Manager, and we'll see a list of all the existing fields. And we click Add Field. And then we can see the types of fields available for us to create. Text field, Boolean field, a list field, a file field, or a number field. For this demo, we'll select text field, and then we click the next button. And let's say we want to create a field where we can enter a landmark that's near our dealer. So we type in the field name, and then the display name. This can be what will actually display on the search form and or what will display as a label for that field when we deliver the data to the search results. And I might also mention, if you want to create a field that doesn't show the field name as a label, if you just type a space in there, that will ensure that nothing shows on that field. A description is used to tell you what goes in the field, and that will show up in the location editor. So for example, we could put in there something like pick a landmark near the dealer, and it just would be an instructional field for the admin. The required checkbox lets you make that a required field, which would in effect say that when you're setting up a dealer, you have to put in a landmark. But since there might not be a landmark nearby, we will not make that a required field. We can also put a default value in that field. In this case, there wouldn't be any point to doing that. You can enter the size of the field. That will indicate how many characters you can put in the field. And then you can have a text box, or if you want to make it a text area, which we probably do because we'll want to put more than just one word in there, so we can say let's make that a 2-row 40-column text area, and then we click Save to create it. And now you'll notice that the landmark field has been created. So the next thing we need to do is make that available to enter something into it. So I want to go to Field Layouts, and in the Location Editor, we want to ensure that that landmark field is in the Location Editor form so we can actually add a landmark. So to do that, we click on it to highlight it. We click the Add button, and that moves it over into the selected field. We can also move that anywhere on the form. So let's say we want to put that up close to the address. So we'll put it right there just below the address fields, and we'll save it. Now the next thing we want to do is make sure once we have that populated that we can see it in the search results. So we will come over here and add it to the results page as well. So we do the same thing. Click Add, and let's put it up by the address. And we'll save it. So now we can go into the Location Manager, and we can call up that field, and here we have the landmark. So let's say that this is this store is next door to Neiman Marcus. So then we'll get down here and save it. And now if we go search for it, we will see that the Chico's Boutique, Rodeo Drive, is at this address, and it's next door to Neiman Marcus. And that is how you add a custom field.